floating object effect like Ali Abdaal in Premiere Pro. Here I created this info card. Select it, and in the Effect Controls panel move the playhead to the start, and click on Stopwatch next to Position. Hold down the Shift key and press the right arrow key 4 times to go forward 20 frames. Double-click on the image in the preview and adjust its position just a little bit. Do this process until you get about 6 keyframes. Now we have this floating card animation. Select all the keyframes, right-click on one of them, and add Auto Bezier to them. Now I want to show you how to create a card layout like Ali Abdaal. Drag your image into Timeline, double-click on it in the preview window, and adjust its size and position. Round the edges of the image. In the Effects panel search for Roughen Edges and drag it into the image layer. Set border to 150, edge type to cut, edge sharpness to 10, and fractal influence to 0. Hold down the Alt key and drag the image to the above track to duplicate it. Search for Paint Bucket and drag it into the bottom image. Select the bottom image and increase position second value a little bit. Set Fill Color to Alpha Channel and Color to White. Now with the Type tool, click in the preview and type your text. Then select the Selection tool and change the style of the text to your liking. Slide in and out card like Ali Abdaal. Select all the layers, right-click on one of them, and select Nest. Select the nested sequence with used before, then click on the motion and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Select the new nested sequence and press Ctrl+V to paste it. Search for Transform and drag it into the nested sequence. Move the playhead to the start, uncheck the Use Composition Shutter Angle, and set Shutter Angle to 180. Click on Stopwatch next to Position and drag Position first value until the nest is out of the frame to create the first keyframe. Go forward 5 frames and click on the Reset Parameter button. Move the playhead to the position you want to slide out the nest and click on the Circle button. Move the playhead 5 frames forward and drag Position first value until the nest is out of the frame. Select all the keyframes and add ease in and ease out to them. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.